Not national bakery.
And you are who?
I'm pastry chef also.
Okay.
ስራው ግን ተጠናክሮ መቀጠሉን ይናገራል። በኮሚሽኑ የጥቅም ግጭት መከላከል መሪ ስራ አስፈጻሚ አቶ መስፍን በላይነህ በኢትዮጵያ
This is Mexico. This area.
I think we should put it
Like the people are so nice, they are letting you here. They're letting you go. It's really interesting, they have like small shops here, then in the back the houses. And look at that. There is a river down there. We just passed through a little ghetto. Here down there is a river and you can see the Frenchy Park. Up there is Unity Park, I think it's the zoo. And farther is like the parliament. So let's visit the park.
Prime Minister Alemaria.
He's just shouting. I'm good, how are you? They're building new roads. They keep building new roads. That's nice. Pavements, I mean. Here, and we were coming from, look, Sebastopol. We were here, Legar. There is the Meshkala Square here. But the weather in Addis at this season is really crazy. Like, I'm taking this sweater, this hoodie, and I'm always taking it off and on again because it's always hot and cold even at night. But otherwise, look, we are going to see this cathedral or church, Orthodox church. The Ethiopians are the majority Orthodox, then there is a couple of Muslim and those animistic. This is some church, but here we are trying to find the road. People are running away because they are thieves. Do not. But these girls, they are here, all just waiting for someone to steal.